Meow. Meow. So another stretchy cat today in a different position. Almost looks like an ant right now, doesn't it? Just getting those shapes in. And the swing of the ears. Just really aiming for the rhythm here. Keep that real feeling of that stretch. Paws. Paws galore. A bundle of paws. We just pull all those lines together so they really emphasize the stretch. And I'm changing the tail a bit to help bring the eye, the viewer's eye, back up into the focal point. Just shaping the muscles here, making sure everything's in line. And the muzzle. I love to hear from you, so drop me a comment. Tell me about your cat. Tell me about your life. Tell me where you're from, or tell me what you really want to learn about drawing cats. That's where I get my ideas. Now we'll start in with a sharper pencil and some darker lines. Can't forget that paw in the middle there. Kind of looks funny right now, but we'll fix that up. I mean, that paw in the middle kind of looks funny. Kind of looks like it's missing a leg, but we'll get that in. Help shape this muzzle a little bit more and get that little kitty smile in there. These are just lines to place the eyes. Kind of mucked up on that eye. I'm going to fix it a bit later. Feel out where that nose goes. Some of the features look a little bit dark, but I'll tone them down a bit here. So work in progress. It's all practice. Just a suggestion of toes. There's the leg that's attached to that paw that's in the middle, in between there. That's better. Yeah, we'll fix that eye there. I like that better. It is at double speed now, and I'm going to speed it up a bit more here shortly to finish things up. Yeah, that nose is standing out a little bit too much. That's better. And there's the whiskers. Thanks for watching.